How to get professional dashboard on Facebook. Hello everyone, this is Max. Welcome back to another tutorial video. So let's start without wasting any time. Also make sure to watch this video till the end. First of all, open up Facebook on your device. Now wait for the screen to load. Now simply tap on the profile picture. Again tap on the three dots. Now simply tap on professional mode. Or you will find an option for turn on professional mode. Now simply tap on turn on. Now wait for some time. Now simply tap on next. Again tap on next. Now tap on confirm. Now simply go back. Now refresh the page. Now simply go back and refresh the page again. Now tap on professional dashboard. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon. See you in the next video.